Alright, family, welcome back to your very own channel, Travel Walkthrough and Beyond. This is your host Nitin, and today is the end of the 27th day of the 12 weeks fitness challenge. So that's fourth week that's about to end now. So feeling really great of come this far. It's almost going to be a month now. So some great progress. Not that much of a weight loss in terms of kilos, but overall it's been a great experience. So I guess it first tones up your body overall. So fat loss is one aspect. You also build up your stamina, endurance, and then overall toning up, calorie burn happens. So it's not just one aspect. So I think that's why it takes time, but eventually there has been like about 5 plus kgs of reduction, which in my opinion is not bad at all. It's quite good. So haven't been able to manage the diet as strict as I'd like to, and also not the brisk walk and the running, which has been delayed as I'd like to have it by now. So I think that's what. So basically that means that it's not enough if you're just gonna walk. So I had reasons, but generally speaking, if you're gonna just walk, this also goes out to prove that it's not enough. So you're taking out so much of time and spending that time walking or slow running in a park, but if you're not managing or not been able to manage diet or not move or shift the gears higher to a higher intensity, then all that time is going in vain. So probably what needs to be done is to up the game with either diet or exercise intensity, or a bit of both. So I will recommend doing the both, but whichever one is more convenient in case you are not able to get a grip on both, then at least do one of them. In my case, I wasn't able to get a grip on neither of those two things. So that's why it's not, as expected. But the good thing is that there certainly has been some improvement. So right now the foot condition is good, the blister one, but there's another problem, that is a calcaneus bone, which is the heel bone, one of the biggest bone in the foot structure. So I have a little problem with that right now, having issues with that. So I need to get some high amounts of calcium to improve that. So I picked up some kolari, that's what they call it, kolari. So it's also called German turnip. So I searched online and I found that it's one of the very good and rich and healthy lean sources of getting calcium through a vegetarian diet. So I got a lot of that yesterday from the market. So I'm going to make that and have it every day and see if there's any improvement in that. So hopefully once that happens, then I'll be able to follow the upping the gear intensity sooner. So I'll be able to achieve that goal much sooner. But right now, because of that, it's causing a little trouble. Though I'm still able to do it, thankfully. Just that it's right now I'm also trying to take it slow. So one day it is walking or brisk walking, and the next day it is slow running alternatively. Eventually I think almost like another week or 10 days is when I plan to come down to like much better performance in terms of both brisk walking as well as running. It's going to be more regular, that's all I can say right now. Not really sure about the fast one yet, but that's what I'm going to aim for the next week or 10 days, maximum another 2 weeks, before I decide if I'm going to be able to be running a little faster or not. So that's all from my side for today. Signing out. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Har Har Mahadev. Bye bye.